Continental drift is so interesting.
Yeah, I never knew that all the continents used to be formed into one giant supercontinent, Patagonia.
It's Pangea. This means that if the continents drifted away from each other, they will probably come back together in about 200 million years.
No! What? The Macy's sale just ended.
Since you can't go to the Macy's sale, do you want to learn about the continental drift?
No, not really.
Well, you are anyways.
Fine.
No! What now? The Macy's sale just ended. Oh! We aren't doing that.
Have you ever heard of the continental drift, dude?
Continental what? I'll take that, you know.
So, in the 17th century, Sir Francis Bacon noticed how South America and Africa fit together.
Wow, that's really cool.
This is how scientists believe that the continents were all once together. How do we know this is true? After taking measurements over a long period of time, satellites can show us that the island of Maui, Hawaii is slowly moving northwest towards Japan.
At approximately 3 inches or 7 centimeters per year.
So I guess that proves that the continents will come together eventually, and they probably were once together.
Yes. Wow, that's amazing.
See what you can find out when you study.
Is there any other proof that this is real?
Tons.
A really cool piece of proof is that 2 of the same animal fossils were found on different continents that they wouldn't be able to reach unless the continents were once joined together.
Whoa! I never knew how cool science is.
Yeah, it is pretty cool. Do you know any more facts about the continental drift?
Of course, I know everything. A man called Alfred Wegener was a scientist who proposed the theory that 200 million years ago there was only one supercontinent. Later, Wegener was aware of a continental ice sheet that covered parts of a few continents.
South America and Africa?
You're partially right. The ice sheet only covered parts of South America, Southern Africa, India, and Southern Australia 300 million years ago. This glaciation could only happen if the Atlantic Ocean was missing and the continents were joined.
Wow. So it's like a giant Antarctica. Not really. It was a humongous glacier. Was there ice in the northern continents?
No, the answer is quite simple. There was no ice in the present northern continents because they used to be closer to the equator. In fact, there were once plants growing on Antarctica.
People found tropical plant fossils in Antarctica, so think of it as they found a palm tree fossil in Antarctica.
That's amazing.
This is so believable. Not back then.
Why?
For some people, it was difficult to think of large continents traveling across the ocean floor.
So how do continents travel?
At first, Wegener thought the continents just plowed through the ocean floor, but then people explored the theory and came up with a new thing, plate tectonics.
What is plate tectonics?
Plate tectonics is caused by convection currents. Scientists found lava rock in the middle of the ocean. They were not sure how this could occur.
They soon found cracks in the ocean floor that had magma pouring out of them. As the magma pours out and hardens, it spreads across the Atlantic Ocean. This causes the oceans to expand, which moves the continents little by little.
Wait, so magma actually comes out of the ocean? Cool!
I know.
Wait, why should the continental drift matter to me?
Well, we live on Earth and we want to be ready for the future. Even though we most likely won't be alive when our continents form back into a supercontinent, we still want to make sure we know what will happen, because people will want to know about this in the future.
So, we will definitely want to let people know about the future and how the continents are now.
Wow, this is really cool. I've learned a lot.
Yeah, me too.
I can't believe I'm going to say this, but maybe I should take a day for shopping to learn some more at Barnes & Noble. Also, I have to admit, they have a buy one get one free sale on any kind of book. I think I might buy a book on the continental drift.
No, I'm doing that. There's a sale at Nike. I'll do that either tonight or tomorrow.
Glad you enjoyed learning.
That was fun.
Oh